friends, welcome to www.smartkitprojects.com. The name of this project is Android based home automation on ARM board. So this is a simple home automation in which a relay is and connector. In here, as we have connected holder and a bulb as a relay and connector, so it will get operated through an Android phone. As you will see, first I will tell you what are the components we have used to make this project, and later on I will show you a live demonstration of how the project works. So here, as you can see, these are the relays which are connected to holder and a bulb. So you can take any of your home devices such as fan, AC, TV or anything. And here you can see this is a LCD. This now is an ARM board, development board, and we have used an ARM microcontroller over here. This is a Bluetooth module and this is a power supply area. Now I will show you a live demonstration of how the project works. Now as you can see, this is an Android Bluetooth terminal which is available on the Play Store, so you can download it, and just by pressing 1, 2, 3, 4 it will on all the 4 relays, and by pressing 5, 6, 7, 8 it will switch off all the 4 relays one by one. So and by pressing star all the loads will be turned on, and by pressing hash all the loads will be turned off. So let's on the first by pressing 1, so we have already done that. Now we'll press 2 to switch on the second load. Now 3 to switch on the third load, and 4 to switch on the fourth load. Now we will switch off each load one by one. Now by pressing 5 it will switch off the first load, 6 it will switch off the second load, 7, 8. Now by pressing star all the loads will be get turned off on. As you can see on the LCD also, all the loads are on, L1 on, L2 on, L3 on, L4 on. Now we'll switch off all the load by just pressing hash. So this was the simple demonstration of how the home automation works with Android phone by using ARM Cortex development board or ARM chip. So warm welcome from smartkitprojects.com. Please subscribe us if you like the video. Thank you.